Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Kia Sorento SX Prestige X-Line. So the X-Line's kind of a little bit lifted, kind of the off-road version in a roundabout way. Crystal beige over black. And now the craziest part about this, and you'll see as we start to walk through the vehicle, is the pricing of it. It's $44,000 sticker all in. That is absolutely insane for the level of luxury you get, the performance, because this features the 2.5 liter inline 4 that is turbocharged, the same one that we will find in the K5 GT. It's the same exact motor. There's 3 engine choices. There's the naturally aspirated 2.5, then there is this one, the Turbo 2.5, which has 311 foot-pounds of torque. But this thing is just absolutely awesome. You can go ahead and take a look. Back seat area, plenty of room. Absolutely beautiful. There is your 2.5 turbo. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and head into the interior, which honestly is where this thing shines. You can see digital display which does change with your drive modes. It's a snow, eco, comfort, sport, and then smart. I will be in sport. Why is everybody texting me? Okay. No, we're all the guys upstairs are all interconnected, so I just want to make sure that I'm not missing anything. So that star you can configure to be whatever you want. Head into home. Super easy to use. This is the coolest feature. So say you have calm sea waves. Now, if you're just sitting watching a plane touchdown at the airport, or if you're just sitting in your car and you want to relax, take a nap, I wouldn't use that one if you have to go to the bathroom, but how do I shut you off? Stop. It does feature a Bose surround sound system, your navigation map, of course, your radio, heated ventilated seats, open grain wood, And then of course the panoramic sunroof, which is massive. So without further ado, we're in drive. I'll probably use the paddle shifters once, but let's go for a drive in the 2021 Sorento. Coming down the hill. What's nice in sport mode, the throttle response is absolutely fantastic. Very easy to drive. Visibility is absolutely phenomenal. And the power is just astronomical. I would much prefer this over the previous generation's V6. Driven both now, and it's just absolutely phenomenal. And that was not full throttle. I don't like going full throttle when there's people walking and there's anybody around. Just try to keep respect to the neighbors of the dealership and the neighbors to my new test track. You can see when you turn the turn signal on, it displays an image. So if you're changing lanes, it turns on the camera so you don't hit a car that's in your blind spot. Very, very nice feature to have. As somebody who's almost taken out a car before because it was in my blind spot. Do believe this is a dual clutch transmission, and it's absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love it. One of the best dual clutches I have ever used. Seriously, we're gonna put a giant tool truck on my test track? Man, when that sun comes in, it is bright off the nice and icy pavement. Oh man, that is just insanity. It's just so much torque all at once. There's your cross traffic alert. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.